Tired of AI hype? Let's break down how to make generative AI actually work for you. First up, know your tools. Whether it's ChatGPT, Midjourney, or something else, every Gen AI platform has its quirks. Spend a few minutes poking around the help docs, and you'll save yourself hours later. Next, prompting is everything. Be clear, be specific, and don't be afraid to experiment. The more context you give, the better the results. Think of AI as your creative partner, not a mind reader. Don't forget privacy. Never share personal info or sensitive data with AI tools. It's smart, but not that smart. Finally, question everything. Gen AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Cross-check facts, and always add your own spin. So, learn your tools, master your prompts, protect your data, and always verify. That's the Gen AI playbook. Ready to create something awesome?